Terry.
Yeah, you're welcome.
But she didn't develop the milk.
Molly didn't have milk.
You got bad breath, bub. It's okay, Coco. Come on. Come on, it's okay. I got you. Come on, Coco. You're okay.
I'm sorry.
You're okay. You're okay.
Anything else in there?
Nothing?
I don't know how far. I don't feel.
It's okay. It's okay. Come on, it's okay. Coco. Come on. You're okay.
She might have just spelled it. The looking she was doing, she might have just spelled it already.
She got bad.